Hop into the 2019 GMC Terrain. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system,